right okay කාටද කියන්න පුළුවන් variable එක කියන්නේ මොකක්ද කියලා මතක නැද්ද කට්ටියට variable එක මොකක්ද දෙන්නේ කියලා කියන්න බාන්න පුළුවන් variable එක මොකක් ඒක නිකන් storing unit එකක් නේද variable එක කියන්නේ මොකක් හරි store කරන unit එකක් right කට්ටියට ඒක මතකද
ඔව් සර්.
ඔව් right මම පොඩි introduction එකකින් variable එක කියන්නේ මොකක්ද කියලා right variable එකක් කියන්නේ අපේ computer එකේ memory එකක් තියෙනවානේ right අපේ computer එකේ we have a memory right and in that memory right it is divided into many parts ඒක සෑහෙන parts වලට divide කරලා තියෙනවා right this memory it's divided into so many parts right if I can screen share should be able to screen share right you guys should be able to see my screen now can you see my screen yeah
Yes, we can see.
okay. So imagine this is your computer's memory right this is your computer's memory now this memory is divided into many parts right this computer memory is divided into many parts right a variable is one memory location from the whole memory right a variable is one part one singular part right එක කොටසක් මේ ලොකු memory එක තමයි variable දැන් ওই memory එකේ අපිට store කරන්න පුළුවන් values right මොනවාද variable එක store කරන්න පුළුවන්
Values.
values right දැන් මේ values වලට අපිට දැන් මේ programming කරනකොට right දැන් අපි සාමාන්‍යයෙන් අපි කියමු ඔය කට්ටිය දැකලා ඉන්නේ YouTube ගිහින් ඇතින හැමෝම right දැන් YouTube කොයි හරි ඔය data එක දැන් අපි කියමු මෙයා බලන මං ගිහින් search කරනවා how to do this in Python කියලා right how to make a variable in Python දැන් ඔය මගේ query එක කොයි හරි store වෙන්න එපයි නේද මොකද එයාලා YouTube server එකට ගිහින් තමයි sorry කොහේ මොකක්ද කිව්වා guys කවුරු හරි එකක් කිව්වා පොඩ්ඩක් okay කමන්න මේ so දැන් YouTube එකේ කොයි හරි ඔක store වෙන්න එපායිනේ අපි මොකද්ද search කරේ කියලා දැන් එයාලා ඒක store කරන්නේ memory location එක right variable එක කරන store කරන්නේ right කටිය තේරුණාද variable එක කියන්නේ මොකක්ද කියලා variable කියන්නේ computer එකක right අපිට variable එක ඒක store කරන්න පුළුවන් right මොකක් හරි value එකක් store කරන්න පුළුවන් variable එක තේරුණාද variable එක කියන්නේ මොකක්ද කියලා කට්ටිය come on guys අපි camera on කරගෙන කතා කරමු
Fair enough.
nice එතකොට right දැන් variable එක අපිට store කරන්න පුළුවන් දේවල් තියෙනවා right let's say මම ගියා Amazon වලට Amazon වලින් මම ගත්තා water bottle 5ක් right දැන් ওই water bottle 5 මං ගත්තා කියන එක එයාට process කරන්න එයා කොහේ හරි store කරන්න ඕනි right store කරන්නේ variable එකක තේරුණාද මම පොඩ්ඩක් elaborate කරා ඒක right okay මම අද lesson එකට යන්නම් මගේ first slide එක ගිහින් right okay මගේ දැන් screen එක පේනවා ඇති අද අපි බලන්නේ learning maths with Python right අපි බලනවා දැන් programming කියන්නේ programming වල fundamental එකක් තමයි maths right programming වල fundamental එක තමයි maths දැන් අපි ඉගෙන ගන්නවා ප්‍රෝග්‍රෑමින් වල මේ maths අපි use කරන්නේ කොහොමද කියලා. maths අපි execute කරන්නේ කොහොමද කියලා. right දැන් calculator එකක් ගන්නකො ඔයාලගේ phone එකේ තියෙන calculator එක. right calculator එක ගන්න. දැන් මේ calculator එකේ addition තියෙනවා, subtraction තියෙනවා, multiplication තියෙනවා, division තියෙනවා. right දැන් අපි ඉගෙන ගන්න යන්නේ දැන් මේ ඔය calculator app එක කොහොමද මේක process කරන්න කියලා. දැන් අපි කියමු මම 2 + 2 දැම්මොත් right අපි බලනවා කොහොමද අපේ මේ calculator app එක මේක process කරන්න කියලා. right දැන් කට්ටිය මට දැන් mic unmute කරන්න ඕනි. right මට කියන්න බෑ addition වලින් මොකද්ද වෙන්නේ කියලා. addition වලින් මොකද්ද වෙන්නේ කියලා කියන්න බෑ. මම දන්නවා මේ ඉන්න කට්ටිය ඔක්කොම මේක දන්නවා අනිවාර්යෙන්.
ඉලක්කම් දෙක
කියන්න බෑ.
the amount increases.
Okay. Oh,
The amount increases.
amount increases, right? You to one you add another. That is addition. Right? To one you add another. Subtraction කියන්නේ මොකක්ද? What is subtraction?
The amount reduces. It decreases.
It decreases, it reduces, right? So from one collection, I take one out. Or I take many out. Right? That is subtraction. What is multiplication? Multiplication කියන්නේ මොකක්ද? Multiplication අහල් තියෙනවනේ. ගුණ කිරීම. Multiplication මොකක්ද? ඒකේ මොකක්ද වෙන්නේ? Multiplication එක. මම example එකක් දෙන්න එච්චරයි ඔය.
2 times 6 equals 12.
2 times 6 is 12, right? So what happens is මං කියනවා 2 you do it 6 times. 2 you increase it by 6 times. Right?
That
So
means like one number gets added together a couple of times.
a couple of times, right? So that is multiplication. Right? So let's say I have an apple. If I multiply the apple by 6, 6 apples. Right? That is multiplication. What is division? බෙදීම. Division. Division කියන්නේ මොකක්ද? කියන්න බෑ කටේ වීඩියෝ ඔන් කරන්න ඕනේ. භාගයක් ඉන්න ඕනේ.
Separating parts.
Yeah, so division is you yeah, what you said is correct. You separate. Right? So whatever so let's say I have 10 trophies. I want to distribute it among my 5 friends. Right? මම trophy 10ක් තියෙනවා. ඒක මම 5 දෙනෙක්ට බෙදන්න ඕනේ. right? දැන් 5 දෙනාට එක්කෙනෙක් තුනක් එක්කෙනෙක්ට එකක් දෙන්න බෑනේ. right? So what happens is we divide it by 5. Divide means 10 divided by 5, that is 2. So එක්කෙනාට දෙක ගානේ හම්බ වෙනවා. Right? You guys understand, right?
Yep.
Yeah. Okay. Guys, video on කරන්න ඕනේ, right? Okay. Right. Now we all know these symbols that we have. Right? So we have addition symbol, that is a plus sign. Subtraction symbol, it is a minus sign. Right? Multiplication, now normally we use that cross, right? We use that cross in multiplication. X එක වගේ cross එකන පාවිච්චි කරන multiplication වල පොතේ ලියනකොට. Yeah? ඕනේ?
Yeah.
Right. දැන් A cross එක වෙනකොට පාවිච්චි කරන star එකක්. Right? මොකද දැන් ඔය keyboard එකේ බැලුවොත් multiplication වලට sign එකක් නැහැ. X එකක් තියෙනවා. X එකේ keyboard එකේ තියෙනවා. හැබැයි multiplication වලට වෙනම sign එකක් නැහැ. දැන් ඔය keyboard එකේ බැලුවොත් ඔයාලගේ phone එකේ හරි දැන් addition වලට plus එක තියෙනවා. minus එකට minus එක තියෙනවා. multiplication වලට multiplication එක නැහැ. ඒ වෙනකොට පාවිච්චි කරන star එක. Right? And then තියෙනවා division. Right? Division එක පාවිච්චි කරනකොට ඉරයි 32යිනේ. Right? දන්නා division symbol එක කට්ටිය නේ?
But instead of that, we use the slash.
Yes, instead of that, right? Now if you look at the keyboard again, right, you can't find the division symbol. Right? So instead of the division symbol in programming, what we use is the slash, backward slash. Okay? Clear?
Yes.
Yeah, others also reply. Okay. Nice. So these are all what we know, right? මේ අපි දන්න දේවල් තමයි මම මේ කියන්නේ. Right? Right. This is something interesting. Right? දැන් අපි ඔක්කොම දන්නවා 2 + 5 = 7 කියලා. Right? Basic maths. දැන් මේ x එක ඇවිල්ලා අපි දැන් මේවා තමයි මේවට අපි කියනවා වචනයක්, right? We call them operands. Right? මේවට කියන්නේ this is on which we operate. Right? අපි mathematical equation එක operate කරන්නේ මේ variable නැත්නම් මේ operands උඩ. Right? අපි මේ x and y වලට කියනවා අපි නැත්නම් අපේ values වලට දැන් 2 + 5 නම්, right? අපි 2 වලටයි 5 වලටයි කියනවා නම. ඒක ඒ නම තමයි operands. Okay? Yeah? And now we call the plus and equal operators. Right? මේක නිකන් අර patient doctor situation එකක්. Right? So අපි patient තමයි අපි operate කරන්නේ. Right? You get what I'm saying, right? Like on x and y, right, is on what we operate. Right? So 2 + 5 නම් 2 + 5 උඩ තමයි අපි operate කරන්නේ. Clear? Yeah? Okay. So we have operands, we have operators, and now we have the result. Right? Simple. Okay, so these are not programmatical words, right? These are not programmatical words. These are just basic words, basic mathematical words, but which we call in an equation, right? So we have operands, we have operators, and when those two get together, we have a result. Okay. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Brilliant. All right. Now we are going to learn two very new mathematical operators, right? Now operator එකක් කියන්නේ මොකද්ද? Plus, minus, multiplication, division. Oh, operators, right? Mathematical operators, right? Mathematical operators. We are going to learn two new operators today, right? That is used in programming. Used in programming. One is modulus. Right? One is modulus. Other one is floor division. Right? Modulus and floor division. The මේවා සාමාන්‍යයෙන් ඔයාලා ඉගෙන ගන්නේ grade 10 11 ගියා. Right? So මේක පොඩ්ඩක් advanced, right? But very basic concepts. දැන් ඔයාලත් මේක තේරුම් ගන්න පුළුවන්. බැරි කමක් නැහැ. Right? So what happens is in this modulus, right? කාට හරි කියන්න පුළුවන්ද? Right? දැන් මං කියනවා x අර modulus වල symbol එක තමයි this percentage. Okay? දැන් අපිට මේ division වල slash එක තිබ්බා වගේ, right? modulus වල symbol එක ඇවිල්ලා division sign එක. Okay? Right? modulus වල division sign එක මේ modulus වල sign එක percentage එක. Right? දැන් මම මෙතන පොඩි equation එකක් ලියලා තියෙනවා. Right? 5 modulus 2. Right? 5 modulus 2. Right? Equals මේ result එක 1. දැන් කාට හරි මේ හිතලා කියන්න පුළුවන්ද මේ modulus එක මොකද්ද වෙන්නේ කියලා? දැන් මං කියනවා ඔයාලට 5 modulus 2. හරිද? මං කියනවා ඊට පස්සේ ඒකේ result එකත් 1 කියලා. Right? කාටද නිකන් කියන්න පුළුවන් මේකේ මොකද්ද වෙන්නේ කියලා මේ modulus sign එකේ? කාටද නිකන් හිතන්න පුළුවන්? sign එක මොකක්ද? දැන් මෙතන screen එකේ තියෙනවා 5 modulus 2 කියලා. ඒකේ result එකක් තියෙනවා 1 කියලා. result එකක් තියෙනවා.
Divide from the same number.
No. Try again. That's out. Try again. Not dividing on the same. Right? I will go to an example now, right?
Is it like multiplying both of the numbers and then dividing it with the result that we got by multiplying these numbers?
No. That is not it, right? So what happens is, right? So now I have a small example, right? So we have 7 apples to share, right? 7 apples to share, right? We have 7 people and we have 3 people. 7 apples, 3 people, right? That is the basic concept. And now we need to divide this among 3 people, right? These 7 apples divided by 3 people. දැන් සාමාන්‍ය අපි කිව්වොත් apple 6ක් තියෙනවා. apple 6 3 දෙනෙක් මත 3 දෙනෙක්ට බෙදන්න ඕනේ. එතකොට එක්කෙනෙක්ට කීයක් යනවද? How much one?
2.
2, right? 2. 2 for 2 apples for 1 person. එතකොට මම මෙහෙම point එක හරවට පේන්නේ නැහැ. right? හැබැයි දෙකක් එනවා එක්කෙනෙක්ට දෙකක් එනවා එක්කෙනෙක්ට දෙකක් එනවා එක්කෙනෙක්ට. simple, right? 2 plus 2 plus 2 equals 6. හැබැයි දැන් අපි ගාව special case එකක් තියෙනවා. අපිට 7ක් තියෙනවා. right? දැන් මේ scenario එකේ අපිට 7 කපන්න බෑ. මොකද අන්තිම apple එක කපන්න බෑ. right? අපි whole apple තමයි දෙන්න ඕනේ. right? දැන් මෙහි බෙදන් ගියාම අපිට එකක් ඉතුරු වෙනවනේ 7ෙන්. 7ෙන් 3 බෙදන්න ගියොත් අපිට එකක් ඉතුරු වෙනව නේද? We have one remainder. Right? Guys? Others? Go. Come on, we have to on our cameras and speak. Huh? Okay, කතා කරන් thumbs up නෙවෙයි මට කියන්න. තේරුණා කියලා.
තේරුණා.
තේරුණා නේ? Right. So we have one remain. Right?
මම දැන් ජොයින් වෙන්නේ ගිහින් මොකක් ඉතුරු වෙනවා කියලා විතරයි.
අපේ ඇඩ්මින්ලා පොඩ්ඩක් කට්ටිය බලන්න. Right? Okay. Now දැන් මේ අන්තිම ඇපල් එක අපිට දැන් මේක තමයි අපි සිනාරියෝ එක. දැන් මේ left over එක තමයි අපි කියන්නේ. right? මේ left over එක තමයි modular sign එකෙන් ගන්නෙ. කියලා මම ඔයාලට කිව්වොත්. දැන් ඔයාලා ආයි පිටිපස්සට ගිහින් අපි බලමු. right?
සර් සර් මට මේ සර් කියනවා කැඩි කැඩි ඇහෙන්නේ මම සරෙන් ටයිම් වෙනවනේ.
පොඩ්ඩක් බලන්න විනාඩි 5ක් විතර ඉන්න බලන්නකො. හරියයිද කියලා කොහොම රෙකෝඩින් එක එහෙම එනවා. right?
රෙකෝඩින් එක ගෲප් එකට දානවාද?
දාන්න. channel edit කරලා දාන්න. දැන් මම ඔයාලට දැන් මොඩියුලර්ස් එකෙන් වෙන්නේ රිමයින්ඩර් එක හම්බ වෙනවා. දැන් අපි ඔය සිනාරියෝ එකට අපේ ඉක්වේෂන් එකට මේක පොඩ්ඩක් කම්ප්ලිකේටඩ් මම දන්නවා කට්ටියට පොඩ්ඩක් අමාරුයි කියලා. right? But this is a concept we need to understand. right? මේක අපි කොහොමද තේරුම් ගන්න ඕනි. right? 5 modulus 2. මෙහෙම හිතමු. 5 apples divided by 2 people. How many apples does one person get?
2.
apple පහක්. yeah. apple පහක් දෙන්නෙක්ට බෙදුවොත් right? එක්කෙනෙක්ට whole apple හම්බ වෙනවා. full apple හම්බ වෙනවා 2 ගන්න. remainder එක මොකද්ද? remainder කීයක් තියෙනවද?
1.
Now what is the result here on the board?
1.
1. So can you understand now, right? 5 modulus 2. 5 modulus 2 gives the remainder. Understood?
Yes.
What modulus does? So modulus gives us the remainder. Right? Modulus gives us the remainder. Okay. Then I want you guys to try and explain. Try and explain to me what modulus does. So I want one person to raise their hand and just tell me, right? Tell me what modulus does. Tell me what modulus does. Okay, Kisadu කියන්න බෑ. ඉස්සෙල්ලා.
We divide that number and we get the result as we get the result. We get the remaining as the main result.
Yeah, correct. Right? Correct. Okay, Isidu, can you explain? Try and explain.
So in a division equation, if there's a remainder, the modulus is the remainder.
Correct. Right? Modulus is a remainder. ඕකේ කට්ටියට තේරුණා ඔක්කොම තේරුණාද කියන්න බලන්න මට. තේරුණා නම් අත උස්සන්න බෑ. උතරම හරියටම බලන්න පුළුවන්. අත උස්සන්න කියන්නේ ඔයාලගේ සමහර කට්ටිය මේ කැමරෝන් කරන්නේ නැහැ. කට්ටිය ඔක්කොම කැමරෝන් කරන්න ඕනේ හැබැයි. අත උස්සන්න. තේරුණා නම් අත උස්සන්න. ආදිත් තේරුණාද? තේරුණානේ. තේරුණ නැත්තම් කියන්න. I'll explain again, right? No problem. Okay, hands down, right? Now, what we are going to learn about is floor division. Floor division. Then I'm going to do the same scenario. 5 floor divide 2. 5 floor division 2. Result is 2. Now, can someone explain what does floor division? Just try and explain, huh? What floor division does.
Divide nearest
The
multiple.
quotient.
Okay, so I think all of you got the gist of it, right? So I'll just explain. Okay, so now we go back to original example, right? So 7 apples divided by 3 people, each person gets 2, right? So now in modulus, what we got is a remainder. But in floor division, what we get is the result. The whole number, the result, right? So if we go back to our, what do you call, example, 5 divided by 2. What is the answer? Someone tell me 5 divided by 2. Can ban 5 divided by 2 here?
2 remainder 1.
2 remainder 1. So what is the result here? 2. So what do you get? You get the result, right? Without that 0.0, 0.1 or 0.2 or 0.25 or 0.5, without that, right? There's no decimals in floor division modulus, right? You always get the whole number and you get the remainder, right? So whole number is taken from floor division. Modulus is taking remainder. Understood? Yeah. The mega tamai what modulus and floor division is. Right? Okay. So අපි පොඩි summary එකක් කරොත් modulus gives a leftover. Right? Modulus එක දෙන්නේ අපිට leftover එක. But floor division, what it will give is it will give the whole number. Right? It will give the whole number of that division result. Okay. Yeah, that is basically.
Yes.
Thank you. That is basically left modulus and floor division. Okay. Right. So now let's get into some programming. Right. කට්ටිය open කරන්න බලන්න ඔයාලගේ IDLE හරි mobile එකේ ඉන්න කට්ටියට මම ඔයාලට online link එකක් දෙන්න ගිය සැරේ. ඒක අරින්න බලන්න කට්ටිය.
I don't have the application downloaded, so can I do it in the web page or on
Yes. Yes.
Notepad?
So web is can I send the link then in the chat මම කට්ටියට link එක යවන්න.
Is it the web?
Yeah. So what it is Python. I'll send the link. I'll send the link.
Oh wait, I have it. I have it.
Oh. Right. Right. I'll give you guys 30 seconds to access the link or open your IDLEs. So we're going to start programming now. Done? ඔක්කොම link එක open කරාද? Link open කරලා හරි IDLE open කරාද? Did you guys do it? Yeah? Koka කටල්ල කියන්නකො mic unmute කරලා.
Yes, I.
Right, nice. Okay, so this is now what we are going to do. Right, දැන් කට්ටිය අරගත්ත එකේම assume කරනවා. right, දැන් අරගත්ත නැත්නම් මට දැම්ම කියන්න. නැත්නම් පටන් ගන්නවා. Okay, 3 2 1. Okay, right, I am starting. Now I will say 4 plus 4. What's the answer? 4 plus 4, what's the answer? Guys, come on.
8.
4 plus 4, 8, right? If I put that in ideally, or whatever the compile is and run it, right? Compile එකේ ඉන්න කට්ටිය, right? What you have to do is මේ shell එකට ගිහින් can you run, right? මෙතන ගහන්න 4 plus 4 කියලා. And then you enter. Okay, people on the online shell, right? What you have to do, don't click on this main.python file, click on the shell, right? Click on the shell, and here you guys enter, right? 3 plus 3, right? That is what 6. Okay. Right, so this is how you do maths in Python or any programming language actually. Right, so if I say 5 divided by 2, it will say 2.5. This is a calculator, basic calculator. Right, so you put the equation, it will give the result. Right, so now we are going to test a few things. Right, what we learned today. What we learned was, first one, what we learned was floor division. So 5 floor divide 2. What's the answer? 5 floor divide 2. Sorry, 5 modulus 2. Sorry. මොකක්ද උත්තරේ? දැන් අපි ඩිස්කස් කරා විතරයි. ඉක්මනට කට්ටිය කියන්නේ එක්කෙනෙක් 1. ආදිත්, thank you. 1. Okay, we tested that out. Next one. 5 floor divide 2. What's the answer? Guys, others? 2.
2.
Good. 2. We got the answer. Right? So this is how we do maths in Python. Right? Understood? Yeah?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So did everyone do this? Did everyone try it out on the IDLE? Can I give you guys 5 minutes maybe? Yeah?
Yeah.
Just try it out, okay?
Sir?
Yeah.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah.
I don't have the link.
Okay, wait, I'll just share it again. How to do in web? Sorry, Ahmed, I missed your message. How to do in web is you guys just click on this link. Okay, right? Yeah. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
No worries, no worries. Guys, I just want to test something out. Can you hear me clearly now? I just switched the microphone. Is it better or is it worse?
The same.
The same. Huh, okay, right. Okay, brilliant. Okay, guys, done? Done experimenting?
Yes.
Or not? Should I give you more time or
Yes.
okay, I'll give you more time. Give like yes to give more time or yes to done experiment. Hmm? Okay, guys, shall we move on? Yeah, what's the time now? We started at 6:30. Yeah.
Yeah, at 6:30.
So I was thinking, guys, while you are doing this, how frequent would you like to have these sessions? Monthly, weekly, twice a week? What's your preference? Guys, yeah, I shall send it to the WhatsApp. Guys, what's your preference? For me to do this weekly, twice a week, monthly? What's ideal?
I prefer weekly.
Weekly. Others?
Monthly.
Weekly.
Monthly.
Weekly.
Weekly. Okay. Others?
Weekly. Weekly.
What I would like to see is I want all of you to invite your friends for these as well. Okay.
Weekly.
Nice. So let's try and doing this weekly. try to do this weekly, right? I also have a busy schedule. I'll try my best. So I would like to see you invite your friends also to this, okay? Yeah, and what time would be good? Like Saturday morning? No, not Saturday morning. Saturday evening. Like this time, is it okay? Or Sunday, maybe Sunday morning? What time?
This time.
This time? Others, this time is okay or? Guys? This time or what time would be best? Like, I know you guys have classes. Probably
This
you have
time.
clubs that in school that you go to. Yeah, this time. Okay, so like Friday, 6:30 to 7:30 wage. Yeah.
Okay. Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Let's set that time. Huh? Okay,
Okay,
so
sir.
then we also have a bit of a.
Okay,
So I don't have to look for time for this. No? So I'll just set that time part for this. Friday. Okay. Friday. So how many of you here is in the organizing committee of Thinking Pod? Like in the website? Okay. Okay, one is here, others two. Okay. Okay, nice to see you guys. Three. Okay. Three people. So because we had more participation on Saturday. I'm not sure if that's because it's a poor day or what. I was thinking maybe we can do it Sunday morning too. Sunday morning, what's your availability, guys?
No.
No? Sunday evening?
No.
Okay. Sir. No.
Sunday evening is
Okay.
okay.
Sunday evening. Okay, what I'll do is I'll put up a poll on WhatsApp. Right? I'll put up a poll. You guys can vote on WhatsApp. Whatever time is convenient, that will be the time. Okay? Anyway, we'll be recording these videos, right? These sessions. We'll be putting them up on YouTube too. Right? We'll cut them, right? We'll cut them. Like not the whole session, right? But we'll just edit and we will cut the important parts, the parts where you guys ask questions and all. We'll post on YouTube too. So your friends can always watch that and come to our next sessions, okay? So I want all of you to invite your friends. Can you do that for me?
Yes,
Yeah?
sir.
Okay. So I'll just put up a poll on WhatsApp. You guys vote. Huh? Okay, I just sent out the poll on WhatsApp. You guys can vote. Huh? All right. So let's move on. Right, we have another concept to cover. So this concept will be. Right, so guys, eyes on the screen now, right? Cameras on. We are going to learn again. Come on. Right. Operators. Now we do comparisons in life. Right. So if I compare, let's say this remote. Oh, sorry. If I compare this remote and this remote, there are differences, right? These are not equal. මේක සමාන නෑ නේ. මේවා වෙනස්. දැන් සාමාන්‍ය ප්‍රෝග්‍රෑමින් වල බාන්න ඕනේ නේද? දැන් ප්‍රෝග්‍රෑමින් කියන්නේ හරි ලොජිකල් දෙයක් නේ. දැන් ප්‍රෝග්‍රෑමින් වල බාන්න ඕනේ මෙයා මෙයාට සමානද එහෙනම් මේක කරන්න. right? මේක මෙහෙමනම් මේක කරන්න. right? කියන්නේ එහෙම තමයි ප්‍රෝග්‍රෑමින් කරන්නේ. right? So if I give you an example, making tea, right? Making tea. If, right, I say if the water is between 80 and 100 degrees Celsius, right? Add milk powder, right? That is a condition, right? That is, I check if that is valid, right? If it's valid only, I add milk powder. Then I see the milk powder done, right? So every day we use this logic. අපි කියමු automatic tea maker එකක් හදනවා කියලා. එහෙනම් බලන්න ඕනි. tea maker අපි කියන්න ඕනි. ඔයා බලන්න water එක 100 degrees 80 degrees between ද කියලා. එහෙමනම් ඔයා milk powder දාන්න. නැත්නම් ඔයා milk powder දාන්න එපා. Right? That is if we make automatic tea machine, that is what we'll write. We'll tell it to do that. Right? So same as that, to do these operations, right? We have a concept called comparison operators, right? We have different type of operators. Now we learned about these operators that can do multiplication, addition, subtraction, for division, modulus, right? We learned those. But now we are going to look at comparison operators, right? So this is totally different. Huh? So now what this double equal does is, so now what double equal will do is it will check if is this similar to this. මෙයාට similar ද, right? කියලා double equal එකෙන් කරන්න. Not equal එකෙන් කරන්නේ is this not similar to this. එතන මං කිව්වොත් ඔයාලම true false කියන්න ඕනේ, right? camera on කරන්න. මට true false කියන්න ඕනේ. camera on කියලා mic උත් unmute කරා නම් හොඳයි. If you can unmute your mics, rapid fire type of thing we are doing here, right? Okay. මට මේ කියන්න ඕනේ මං කියන එක true the false කියලා කට්ටේ ඉක්මනට මට කියන්න ඕනේ. Is this remote equal to this remote? True or false?
False.
False.
Right, thank you. Is this remote not equal to this remote?
True.
Okay. All right. Then what we can do is right. I have 3 remotes now. Now don't think of this as remotes, right? Think of these as apples, right? No, think of this as numbers, right? So number one, number 2. Okay. Okay, number 1, number 2. Is number 1 equal to number 2?
False.
False.
Number 1 not equal to number 2.
True.
True.
Is number 2 greater than number 1?
True.
Is number 2 less than greater 1?
False.
False.
Okay. Is number 2 greater than or equal to number 1? It should be, it can be greater than and it can also be equal to.
True.
True. Right. So if I have 2 remotes, right? If I have 2 remotes, now if I ask the question, right? There are 4 here, right? Is 2 equals to 2?
True.
Is 2 greater than or equal to 2?
True.
True.
Right? 2 is greater than, it's not greater than, but it's equal to, right? Equal to 2. Okay. Then again, we have 2 remotes now, 1 and 1. Is 1 remote less than or equal to 1 remote? True, right? Because 1 is less than or equal to 1. Right? It's either less than or it can also be equal to. Okay. Understood? Guys?
Yes, sir.
So these are comparison operators, right? Comparison operators. Okay. Right? We'll do our activity now, right? If I say 1 is equal to 1, oh, sorry, 1 is equal to 1, is it true or false? Click here.
True.
May one code right? I am writing it on the code, right? Is 1 equal to 1? True or false? Quickly.
True.
True. Others
True.
also unmute and tell. Sorry, this is some syntax error. True, right? Is 2 equal to 2? Quickly.
True.
Right. Is 2 not equal to 1?
False.
Is 2 not equal to 1?
True.
True. Is 2 greater than 1?
True. True.
Is 2 less than 1?
False.
False.
Correct. Is 2 less than or equal to 1? Less than or equal to 1.
False.
Is 2 less than or equal to 2?
True.
True. Now that is the basic gist of it. Done. That's all operators are. Right? Okay. Now that's it. That is today's session. Right? So we learned, I'm keeping this session short because we learned a lot here. Right? I want you guys to practice, right? If you don't practice, you won't get programming. Right? So programming is mainly you need to practice it. Right? You need to always, right? Take like it doesn't have to be much, right? Take 10 minutes a day and go through these operators again and again. It will stay in your head forever. And trust me, this will help you guys when you go to uni and all, right? This will definitely help you. Okay. Okay. So, right. This is the homework, right? So what I want you guys to do is I want you guys to enter this on the IDLE or command line, right? And I want you guys and get the answer. Right? So I'll give you an example. So 66 minus 12 plus 23, right? So what you have to do is you have to enter, right? 66 minus 23 plus 12, right? You have to enter that, get the answer, right? Now do all of this. There was 10, I think, there, right? On the sheet. Do all 10 and send me a screenshot. Can you do that? That's the homework, huh? Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Okay.
Right,
Okay,
I'll send
sir.
you guys the homework on WhatsApp. Right, you guys have to do it and send. Okay, done. Understood?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, right, brilliant, brilliant. Okay then. Okay then, guys. I had fun doing the session today. Any questions from today's session?
No.
Others, come on. Any questions?
No.
No, sir.
All clear?
No, sir.
Okay, brilliant. All right then. Right, we'll end the session today. I'll send you guys the homework, okay? Okay. See you guys then. Bye bye.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
No worries. Bye bye.
Thank you, sir.
Bye-bye. Thank you, sir.
Good night.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome.